Hello, welcome to another tutorial video of GoalsOnTrack software. My name is Harry and I am the founder and creator of GoalsOnTrack software. So in this video, I'll show you how to use folders, categories, and time frames to effectively organize your goals so that you have a clear view of where everything is, and hopefully this will get you on a successful goal journey. So with GoalsOnTrack, basically you can organize your goals into three main groups. So let's first look at the goals page here. And if you take a look at these categories, main category or folders, which is what it's called. But basically you can group your goals into either active goals or accomplishments or dreams or someday goals. So by default, of course, you'll be looking at all your active goals. Those are the goals that you have already built an action plan, so you're actively working on it. And then there's another group called accomplishments. This is where, if you complete a goal, if you mark a goal as accomplished, you will see it in here. So you'll no longer see it under the active goals page. And we have another goal, another group, and this is called dreams or someday type of goals. So here you can, sometimes you have a goal, but you're not ready and maybe it's still too vague, but you sort of want to write it down and keep it in the system so that you can come back to it and maybe later turn it into a goal. So this is where you can put goals like dreams or someday goal and put it all in here. And of course you can start a goal based on this dream later on. But generally there are just three main groups of goals. You can navigate from here. Of course there's another group that's template. We covered this in another video, so I'm not going to talk too much about this, but generally you should just think about these three main groups of goals. So next, let's take a look at the goal categories. And in addition to different types of goals, you can also group your goals into different categories. So by default, we have three categories built in for you. And you can use those. Of course, you can add more and you can edit those categories. So simply click the small pencil icon. You can maybe I want to add a category, financial or whatever, and just hit enter. It will get added to it. And once you're done, just click on done editing. You will see your new category here. Actually, so these are just categories based on the different types of goals you want to set. Of course, it's all up to you to decide what type of categories you want to use. So this could be, I don't know, if you have a business, it could be something about it doesn't have to be the type of goals. It could be by a client, by a project. So just it's really up to you to decide how to use the category names here. You can also selectively view your goals by the time frame. So basically by what the deadline is for different goals, you can view them under time frame navigation menu here. So these are short-term within 30 days or mid-term within 6 months or long-term within a few years. And actually we're working on a feature to allow you to be able to customize these settings. So it doesn't have to be 30 days, 6 months, or 5 years. But for now, yeah, it's generally just a quick view of what time frame you're looking at and what goals you want to put into different time frames. So ideally you should have something for each time frame. So basically this is just a quick overview of how you can organize and navigate your goals under different categories and folders and time frames. And so for next, you probably want to check out the video on really building a detailed action plan for your goals. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and make sure you check out our other tutorial videos.